How to sew on a button. Thread a needle, bring both ends of the thread together, smooth it out, and tie a knot. Check out our advanced construction course on thesewpro.com to see how to sew a button on by machine. Now secure your thread to your fabric by taking 3 stitches in the same spot. It's exactly in the area that you want your button to be once it's sewn on. Take your button and put your needle into one hole and back out of the other hole. Then hold your button a little bit away from the fabric. If it's too close, you won't have room for a buttonhole layer of fabric to go in between. The buttonhole layer of fabric sits between the button and the fabric. Holding the button a little bit away creates a little shank, a little hook of thread, between the fabric and the button for the buttonhole layer to sit in. Put your needle in and out of the fabric and then in and out of the button. In and out of the fabric and then in and out of the button. Repeat that at least 4 times. Keep holding that button a little bit away from the fabric. Then twist your button to secure that thread hanging underneath. Wrap the thread around the shank of thread 2 times. Stick your needle through that shank of thread 2 times, and then you do not need to make a knot. That's instead of knots. Cut your thread. For a button with 4 holes, simply repeat what we did. Do it first to 2 holes and then to the other 2 holes. Your button is on, nice and neat. Look at the back. All you see is a little dot of thread, and on the front it's nice and secure.